Top YouTube marketing tips to increase sales in 2020. Hey there, everyone. When your objective is to drive sales and generate profits, you have to go above and beyond the strategies that you would normally use to simply increase traffic and boost awareness. And that's where YouTube Business Made Easy comes in. Yet you can't underestimate the power of applying proven YouTube marketing tactics when it comes to increasing your chances of driving more sales simply by pushing the right buttons. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the best YouTube marketing tips that will help you to increase sales in 2020. Create short videos. We have talked about the importance of creating videos that promote lengthier watch times. These are videos that are on average between 6 to 25 minutes long, and the intention is to boost retention. But it so happens that the contrary can work as well, if not better in some instances. That's why it is important to include short videos into your mix. Videos that last less than 2 minutes can generate over 50% of your views, and they're more effective to deliver your message to certain leads at certain stages of your sales funnel. While a single short video won't help you to drive an immediate sale or to show more than one ad, adding several short videos to your channel can help you to increase watch times because more people will be able to watch your videos in short bursts. This will also help you to capture attention and increase consideration of people short on time, such as people at their jobs. These people are more likely to make urgent decisions, and if you create a video series to showcase your products, then you're more likely to drive a sale from those prospects. Brand your channel. The look of your channel has to match your vision and the way that you want your audience to perceive your products. You have to think of your channel as an extension of your overall online presence, or as another page on your business website. This means that every element of your channel has to be customized in a way that is recognizable for people who have visited your other channels, such as your website and your social media profiles. This means that you have to use the same logo that you use on your other channels as your channel icon, to use your header images as your channel cover, and to match the colors and design of cards and CTAs in your channel and videos with the design on your website. Be consistent. A primary marketing strategy is to be consistent with content. This means that you have to publish content at the right time and when your audience expects it. The starting point is to establish a content schedule. You can, for example, study when your viewers are more active, and at what times, and on which days you get the most views, and to publish your videos at those times. You can look at the analytics section of your channel to get this information. You can then plan a content schedule based on those results. For example, if you get peak views and engagements on Tuesdays at 8 p.m., then you have to upload your videos on those days and at that time. You have to also plan the build-up. You can create teasers to post on your other social media channels, and you can set up reminders for your subscribers and followers. Lastly, it is recommended that you automate your content calendar. You can do this by uploading your video when it's done and scheduling the launch for the right time. Use annotations as calls to action and links. YouTube allows you to include annotations in your videos. Annotations are pop-up elements that appear during playtime and that you can use to encourage viewers to take certain actions by clicking on them, such as watching another video, visiting someone else's channel, or visiting a landing page. You can add annotations through the video editor.